What time is it now?
It is about 3 in the afternoon.
Oh, the day is going by quickly.
Yes, time moves fast sometimes.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
Monday already? The weekend felt very short.
Yes, weekends always feel short.
Do you have many plans this week?
I have a few plans.
What will you do?
On Wednesday, I will meet a friend.
That sounds nice.
Yes, we will have lunch together.
Do you remember important dates easily?
Sometimes I forget.
Yes, me too.
I write important dates in my phone.
That is a good idea.
Do you have any plans next weekend?
Yes, I want to visit my family.
That will be a happy time.
Yes, I do not see them very often.
Family time is always special.
Do you celebrate birthdays with your family?
Yes, we usually have dinner together.
That sounds warm and fun.
What month is your birthday?
My birthday is in July.
That is a summer birthday.
Yes, the weather is usually nice.
My birthday is in November.
That is a cool month.
Yes, the weather is a little cold.
Do you like checking the time often?
Yes, especially when I have plans.
That helps you stay organized.
Exactly.
Time and dates are very important in daily life.
Yes, they help us plan our days.
I feel better when I know my schedule.
Me too. It makes the day easier.
I want to ask you something.
Sure, what is it?
May I sit here?
Of course, you can sit here.
Thank you.
No problem at all.
May I open the window?
Yes, that is fine.
The fresh air feels nice.
Yes, it feels better now.
Sometimes I feel shy asking for permission.
Really? Why?
I worry that people will say no.
That is okay. Asking politely is always good.
You are right.
People usually understand.
May I use your pen for a moment?
Yes, you can use it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Do people ask permission often in your office?
Yes, especially when borrowing things.
That is polite behavior.
Yes, it shows respect.
May I turn on the light?
Yes, please do.
The room is brighter now.
Yes, it feels more comfortable.
I like when people ask politely.
Me too. It makes conversations friendly.
Simple words can be very powerful.
Exactly.
Good manners are always important.
Yes, in every place.
Lily, can I ask for your help?
Of course. What do you need?
I cannot find my notebook.
Where did you last see it?
I think I left it on the table.
Let me look around.
Thank you.
Oh, I see it over there.
Really?
Yes, it is near the chair.
Oh, I see it now.
I am glad we found it.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
Do you ask for help often?
Sometimes when I need it.
I think asking for help is a good thing.
Yes, it is better than struggling alone.
That is true.
Do you help others often?
Yes, when I can.
Helping others feels good.
Yes, it makes people happy.
Sometimes small help makes a big difference.
Exactly.
Do you feel shy asking for help?
A little bit.
That is normal.
But I am learning to ask politely.
That is great.
Good communication is important.
Yes, it helps everyone.
Do you like making new friends?
Yes, I enjoy meeting new people.
It can be exciting.
Yes, every person is different.
Where do you usually meet new friends?
Sometimes at work or in classes.
That makes sense.
People with similar interests become friends easily.
That is true.
Do you find it easy to make friends?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why is that?
I can be a little shy,
Many people feel that way.
but when I start talking, it becomes easier.
Yes, the first step is always the hardest.
Do you talk a lot with new friends?
Yes, I ask simple questions.
Like what?
I ask about hobbies or favorite food.
That is a good idea.
It helps start a conversation.
What hobbies do you talk about?
Reading, music, and sports.
Those are great topics.
Everyone likes to talk about something they enjoy.
That is true.
Do you stay in touch with your friends often?
Yes, I try to message them.
That keeps the friendship strong.
Friends make life more fun.
Yes, life feels happier with friends.
I see you using your phone a lot.
Yes, I use it many times a day.
What do you usually do on your phone?
I send messages and check the news.
Do you also watch videos?
Yes, sometimes.
Phones are very useful today.
Yes, they help us stay connected.
Do you call your family often?
Yes, I call them every few days.
That is nice.
Talking with family makes me happy.
Do you use your phone for learning?
Yes, I listen to English lessons.
That is very helpful.
I also use a dictionary app.
Technology makes learning easier.
Yes, everything is in one device.
Do you ever spend too much time on your phone?
Sometimes, yes.
Me too.
I try to control my screen time.
That is a good habit.
Do you play games on your phone?
Sometimes simple games,
Games can be fun.
but I try not to play for too long.
That is smart.
Phones are useful, but balance is important.
Yes, using them wisely is the best way.
Technology should help our life.
Exactly.